For years, I worked with a giant screen, pen in one hand, and a keyboard placed off to the side on a wobbly little table. It was less than ideal. I kept trying new shortcut solutions like mini Bluetooth keyboards, specialty pad things, hopes, dreams. Nothing really stuck for me. That's until I tried this TourBox Elite Plus. Not only does this thing actually work for my purposes, it's fun to use. Literally looks like a video game remote, and that's not by accident. It's on purpose. The reason why they did that is so that you can use it without looking at it. One of the main issues for me trying to remember key commands is that, you got to look at the keyboard, especially with some of these custom pads made for just a specific thing. They still are just regular keys that all feel the same. Here, they all feel different, and it has like haptic feedback, and it's just so much easier to remember. That customization and the ability to like fully control all the different keys and map them to whatever you want with the TourBox Elite Plus made it quickly work its way into my workflow, both on my desktop and on the iPad. Here, I can set them in a way that makes sense to me, or I can like group different kinds of things, like for example, transform tools like the magic wand and the lasso, or like selection where I'm inverting a selection or deselecting, all these things, or having a scroll wheel to increase my brush size. And then I can tap the button to like activate the brushes. So if I'm not using a brush, I just tap it, then I'm in the brushes, and then I change the size with that same knob. It's delightful. Because it's so easy to customize and just make little buttons for tasks that you do on a regular basis, it makes me want to set this up for like everything. Like every app that I use, I want to have buttons on here, and I'm honestly surprised at how much I like this and how much I'm using it. I think you're gonna like it. I like it a lot. Surprised how much I like it.